to effectively promote your business in 2020. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9 to 5 employees and rookie online business owners. Before we begin, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Every single week, I'll be posting content related to online business and additional income stream for 9 to 5. My Facebook group, Make Money Doing What You Love, is finally here and I'll be holding exclusive training sessions inside for free. So if you're interested, do check it out. I'll leave the link in the comment section and description box down below. Anyways, let's dive in now. People know about marketing, but there is a difference between a successful marketing and an unsuccessful one. Your marketing shouldn't focus on the fact that you are the best. It should focus on how you have the solutions to your prospects' problems. Knowing your target audience is part of the marketing strategy, but in today's video, I'm not going to cover about finding your target audience and your niche because I've talked about them in other videos. Instead, we are going to focus on no BS marketing strategies. The first one is content marketing. I bet that when you hear content marketing, you think about blogs, Twitter, Facebook, and viral YouTube videos. But content marketing has been around far longer than the internet. Why? Because content marketing is all about storytelling, and humans have told stories for as long as they could speak. Our attention will go to those who tell great stories. I want you to take a look at this sales funnel. But before that, I would like to credit Neil Patel for this. The first stage of a buyer's journey is awareness, which is colored in blue. They simply become aware of your business. They aren't necessarily ready to buy yet or even ready to opt into your email list or newsletters. But because of the content you created, they now know who you are. Naturally, if people don't know who you are, they can't join your audience or, most importantly, buy from you. People must first learn about your business. Like what I'm doing now, I'm giving out free content. This is also where all your audiences consume your free content, whether or not they are quality or non-quality leads. Since they are free, so it doesn't impose any risk to the audiences. This level consists of low-risk offer as well, like giving out lead magnets such as ebooks, templates, reports, and many more. It is a low-risk offer because your audiences require to give you their email address in order to download the lead magnet. As you go down the sales funnel, you will realize the percentage of your audiences decrease, and this is absolutely normal because a funnel is meant to filter out your non-quality audiences. The second stage of the funnel is consideration stage, colored in orange. Your audiences require to give their valuable time to you, so means the higher the commitment, the higher the risk is. They need to commit their time into attending your webinar, for instance. And eventually, at the bottom of the funnel is the decision stage. Your audiences are pretty much ready to take action and buy from you because they now know who you are. They have research on you and they are not only giving you their time, they are essentially paying you. So therefore, it contains the highest risk. That's why giving out free content plus going through this sales funnel are very important for your business as one of your marketing strategies. And through content marketing, you can warm up your audiences from knowing you to liking and eventually trust and buy from you. It is almost impossible to sell to a very cold audience. Imagine today, my content is all about selling stuff. How would you feel? You will definitely be irritated and you won't subscribe to my channel because you and I haven't built the trust yet. If you don't trust me, you won't buy from me. It's as simple as that. I'm having 2 mentors now and I invested in their program without meeting them in person. All I did was watching their content, and through that, I turned from a complete stranger to knowing, liking, and completely trust them. I eventually invested in their program. That's why content marketing is so powerful. Second, video marketing. So many people are running ads now on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google. Let's take Facebook as an example. Facebook newsfeed is limited and we treat this as a supply for this example. But the people running ads on Facebook is getting more and more. Then this is the demand. Based on the basic economic theory, if the demand exceeds the supply, the price will naturally go up. And with so many people running ads now, how can you stand out from your competitors? It is through video marketing, because 95% of the people love watching videos, but 95% of the people, they don't dare to take videos. Your face, tone of voice, body language and surroundings can help you create a more compelling story than a text-based article. Still, graphics and email. It's also a powerful content medium for storytelling, which can help you set apart from your competition, especially those who have yet to add video marketing to their overall marketing strategy. Remember, people buy from people, not companies. And by using video as part of your marketing and sales strategy, your ideal clients will get to see the person behind the company that they are interacting with. When taking videos, the energy level is important. Imagine today if I sound like this. Hi everyone, I'm Clara. Today I want to talk about marketing strategies. Compared to, hey everyone, I'm Clara. Today I want to talk about the best marketing strategies in 2020. The energy level in your videos are very, very important. And if you can see me, you know that Clara is real. And you can feel from my expression and tonality. If your prospect constantly watch your videos, they will view you as an authority and not a typical salesperson. Lastly, social media marketing. In this era, the money is in the social media. Now you know about content marketing and video marketing. Social marketing will be easy for you. All of you know how to post on social media, so I won't go into the basic. What you need to do now is to show credibility. Anyone can put a logo, enter company's name, and post a few pictures, but building credibility is much harder than that. Vanity doesn't have a place on social media, so you need to go beyond. First, show that you are a real person and not just a brand account. Sure, there are times when you will need to present an official brand response, but for day-to-day interactions, show that you are a real human. This is especially important if you are owner of a small business. Don't just keep posting pictures of the items, you must actually show yourself. Second, explain what your credentials are. People are most likely to trust leaders on social media rather than nameless social media managers. I get it, when you're new, how the heck do you get testimonials? When I started my coaching business, I didn't have any testimonials. So I started working for free. So this is a big tip for you. I have 3 beta clients who work for free, completely for free in exchange for testimonials. If I can work with 3 clients for free, I will then get 3 testimonials. You slowly build from there. Don't expect to start a new business thinking about money, money, money. I know you want to earn money, but when you're new, why should a person buy from you? Remember the content marketing sales funnel, follow that. I hope that these tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. I appreciate you and thanks for watching all the way until here. I'll see you in the next video.